Hi, welcome to my digital video class. In this class, let us see different electronic configurations with strength of John Teller distortion. Let us consider the below table. Normal electronic configuration D1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to D10 normal electronic configuration. Here spin, high spin or low spin, high spin, low spin, high spin, low spin for D4 up to D7. Here Mulliken electronic configuration. These are symbols, Mulliken symbols. I am writing the electronic configuration using Mulliken symbols T2G and EG. Here I am explaining whether T2GN and EGN, whether these are symmetric or unsymmetric. If symmetric, written symmetric orbitals. If it is unsymmetric, unsymmetric orbitals, written for all. Here explained John Teller distortion, whether weak or no or strong. Let us see, before going to this table, John Teller distortion due to T2GN, which is 4dq in splitting of d orbitals, is weak. John Teller distortion due to T2GN is weak. John Teller distortion due to EGN, which is 6dq in splitting of d orbitals, is strong. That is, John Teller distortion due to EGN is strong. This we have already seen in the previous video also. Let us start from the top. D1, T2G1, EG 0. D2, 2 electrons in T2G itself. T2G2, EG 0. D3, T2G3, EG 0. D4, 2 possibilities, high spin and low spin. In case of high spin, the last electron goes to the next higher energy set of orbitals, that is EG1, T2G3, EG1. In case of low spin, pairing takes place, T2G4, EG0. In the same way for D5, here T2G5, pairing takes place, low spin. In case of high spin, electron goes to the higher energy level, T2G3, EG2. This is also half filled, it is also half filled. Let us see D6, low spin, T2G6, completely filled, EG0. In case of high spin, the last electron, this is already half filled, T2G3 is also half filled. The last electron come into the T2G itself, that is T2G4, EG2. You can compare here T2G3, EG2. The next electron goes to T2G3, that is T2G4. Here both are half filled. The coming electron going to the T2G, forming the T2G4 EG2. Next, D7, high spin and low spin. In case of low spin, T2G6 already paired and completely filled. The last electron goes to EG1. In case of high spin, here it is T2G4. The next electron goes to here T2G, forming the T2G5 EG2. Let us see D8, T2G6 and EG2. You can see here T2G6 EG1. The next electron goes to the EG, forming the EG2, D8. In case of D9, T2G6 EG3. In case of D10, T2G6 EG4. Both are completely filled, paired. Here I have written colors of the electrons. Here colored are symmetric orbitals. Let us see the previous video. In the previous video, we have seen for null filled 0, half filled 3 for T2G, full filled 6. For EG, here null filled, half filled, full filled. For null filled, we have used brick red, half filled light green, here full filled full green. These are symmetric orbitals. The electrons in the colored are symmetric orbitals. Here these colored are symmetric orbitals, and the remaining are unsymmetric orbitals. Let us see here unsymmetric orbital not colored. It is 0 is null filled, brick red. These are partially filled, light green. 6 are and 4 completely filled. Let us see here unsymmetric orbital, symmetric orbital. Here unsymmetric, symmetric, 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 unsymmetric, unsymmetric, symmetric. Both are symmetric, unsymmetric, symmetric, unsymmetric, symmetric. Both are symmetric orbitals. Unsymmetric, symmetric, symmetric, unsymmetric. Both are symmetric orbitals. Symmetric, unsymmetric. Here last, both are symmetric orbitals. Let us finally see the Jahn-Teller distortion. We have seen in the previous video also Jahn-Teller distortion. If both are symmetric, no Jahn-Teller distortion. If both are unsymmetric, that condition is itself not possible. If unsymmetric is due to EG, that is strong. If unsymmetric due to T2G, it is weak. You have to remember this one. If both are symmetric, here both are symmetric, both are symmetric, both are symmetric, both are symmetric, no Jahn-Teller distortion. Here also both are symmetric. If unsymmetric due to T2G, unsymmetric due to T2G, unsymmetric due to T2G, here unsymmetric due to T2G, here also these are weak Jahn-Teller distortion. Weak, these two weak, here this one weak, these two weak. Unsymmetric due to EG, then strong, here also. Unsymmetric due to EG, strong, here also. In this way, you can study the John Teller distortion. Thank you for watching. Thank you.